In this video, my fellow brother Ironworker, Bryce, and I are going to go over harnesses.
What we like and dislike about harnesses.
We both see eye to eye when it comes to this topic. This video has been highly requested, and can I get a thumbs up because you guys are going to get what you want. Right after this, boom! There's a huge gray area when it comes to wearing your own harness or wearing one supplied by your contractor. If you fall wearing your own harness, there's a huge rumor that they will not accept your comp claim because it'll void their equipment.
That's a bunch of bull.
If it's properly worn and you don't fail your drug test like a dum-dum, you'll be 100% compliant. With that being said, some companies won't even let you wear a harness that they didn't issue you. On jobs like that, they have multiple different styles and different sizes, and you won't have a problem at all. Plus, it's really nice to have a brand new harness from time to time. But let me tell you, those jobs are few and far between. Most contractors will just give you a 10-year-old harness that's been laying on the bottom of the gang box that's all oily and gross and poopy.
I am poop. Poop. Can you believe that? I'm poop. I can't believe it, man. I am a piece of S-H-I-T. I cannot believe my eyes, man. I'm looking at myself and I see a big old duty. I don't know what happened. I thought I was chocolate ice cream for a second, and then I realized I was poop. Poop.
And when that's the case, I'm not going to wear that harness. I'm going to wear my own harness that my company previously has supplied for me. Like this one.
But I haven't had the privilege to work on a huge job with a big contractor that's bought me one and I felt comfortable in. So I went out and I bought my own. And before you start blowing up the comments down below, saying how ratty that is and how you should wear the harness that your company provides for you and how much bullshit that is, just realize that all harnesses are not equal.
God forbid if you end up in your harness. You want to personally be comfortable and properly fitted. I can't emphasize this enough. You see time and time again somebody wearing a harness that is way too loose. If they were to fall, the force of the fall would multiply the force in areas that the harness is not made for. That means in your manly section or womanly section in that manner.
With that being said, this is not a video on how to properly adjust your harness. This is just a video about what we prefer in harnesses and what's comfortable for us.
Ironwork has a broad scope, and depending on the job task, you will want a different style harness. My typical style harness is this lightweight, just single D-ring flexi harness. They stretch in all the right places and are extremely lightweight and comfortable. Bryce and I have the same harness.
Tower cranes or rebar walls, you'll need positioning hooks, like my ExoFit. The pros are, it's comfortable and padded, and when you're sitting back, you have a lot of comfort. But the cons are, it's not stretchy and it's very constrictive. So it makes it heavier and a lot hotter in the summertime, making you sweaty and feel icky. When you're positioned on a rebar wall, you're kind of just standing there, tying bar in place. Unlike when you're connecting, you're out moving around, getting it. With a different task, you have different types of harnesses.
I would personally never wear that harness connecting because I feel stiff as a board. Some people argue that with your bolt bags full of bolts, it's more comfortable because it evenly distributes the weight from your shoulders to your hips.
But if your belt is properly adjusted, you don't need all that jazz. Plus, Chance rocks a leather pad on his belt because he's a little weenie. But I just wear my belt plain and I'm okay with that.
Types of harness belts and non-harness belts that are stretchy or not stretchy. These harnesses we spoke about today are just our humble opinion on what we are comfortable in. And these harnesses might not be for you.
But you don't know till you know.
In future videos, I'll go over lanyards and different beamers and stuff, but I didn't want to make this video an hour long, so I'm going to just stop it at that. I hope you guys like this video, and make sure to shoot Bryce, aka Bagged Bryce on Instagram, a follow, and encourage him to make his own damn YouTube channel, because it'd be cool. Comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that thumbs up button. Any harness that we went over today will have a link down below if I can find it. Work safe, and cheers.